Good morning. Welcome to Advisory. This is the fourth part of our guidance lesson that's about creating your own North Star. So this next part in this next section will be called our alive section. Okay. So what does that mean? So in the alive section, you will set one goal for something that will make you feel alive and bring you joy this coming semester, quarter, or summer. Okay. So what is the activity, hobby, volunteer project, or social experience that makes you feel alive? Okay, so for some students, it may be traveling, it might be reading, it might be poetry, it might be surfing, it might be music, it might be skateboarding. Okay, what is it for you? What will you do that is fun and energizing in the next quarter, semester, or summer? Let's think of this as between now and the end of the year, because we have almost a month and a half now for that. When you consider this question, think about what's something between now and at the end of the year that you can consider. Okay, so in this case, for this person, he wants to start a band with Joe and Amber and do at least one show in the barn. Okay, so that's his goal. Okay, so there's two parts of this. There's for me and there's for others. Okay, this guy wants to start a band for himself, and for others, he wants to help his little brother with his math homework and watch out for him. Okay, so when you think of the for others, this is describing one goal that will improve someone else's life. By including someone else in this section, you show that you care about the happiness of others, which is an essential part of development. This is Helen's example. Filled out her student section. So for me, she said she wants to start a band, and for others, she wants to help her brother. So this is her alive section. Okay, so that is the alive part, right? So those are for me and for others. Those you're going to write two different parts for that. Okay, and then when it comes to the reason section on that left-hand side, this is the next step. So, or why you want to do the things that you already put in your North, Student, and Alive sections. The stronger and more convincing your reasons are, the more likely you will accomplish your goals. Okay. So if you know why you want to accomplish something, you will have the motivation to do it, okay, to actually get there. Okay, so start by writing what you want to achieve with your student goals, and then describe why you want to achieve your alive goal. Okay, so like these are the whys, right? So in her case, with reasons, she's got 3 sections, right? She had the grades because that was the one in the student section that we listed. She wants to get better grades because if she slacks, she won't get the scholarship. And then she'll owe lots of money to college. She will have limited work options her whole life. She won't be able to help her mom. That's the motivating factor behind why she wants to get better grades. Because I think the goal was rushing 900 yards this season or whatever, right? So why is that important? And it's important to her because she doesn't want to let her teammates down and doesn't want to lose to South again. Okay, those were the motivating factors as to why she wanted to rush that many yards. Okay, and then when you consider the alive section, okay, so for that alive section, she jotted down that she can see Sarah again. So maybe the things that just starting the band brings her to that ultimate goal. Okay, so the reflection part of this is to spend the class filling these parts out. Okay, so you're going to be completing the alive section by putting your for me and for others. Describe one goal that would improve somebody else's life, and then there's the goal that would improve your own, right? Something that you want to accomplish, something that would make you feel good and joyful for yourself, and then for others, those go in your alive section. Okay, and then when you think of your reasons, you're going to put the reasons for these being your goals. Why are these particular things your goals? Why are your grades, the grades that you put down next to your classes, why is that important to you? And why is it important for you to succeed in football? Why is it important to you to join a band with your friends or play at the barn, right? So this is kind of all coming full circle. So I want you to spend the rest of the class period sharing your reasons with your classmates. Different tiers. You've got the reasons, you've got the alive section, and you've gotten the student section completed. So share what you have. Okay, you can, again, discuss this with the person next to you. So yeah, spend the rest of the time sharing your reasons or jotting those down in your notebooks and your journals. And we'll see you next time.